Malaking bagay sana tayo ay mapagbigyan at maging non-permanent member ng Security Council. Uupo tayo sa Security Council, which is the guiding body of the United Nations. At doon ay dinidecide kung ano ang mga issue na dapat talakayin ng United Nations in mga General Assembly ng pag-uusapan and all the other issues around the world. At ito'y magbibigay ng boses para sa Pilipinas na kasing halaga ng boses ng mga malalaking bansa, the rich and powerful nations that already sit as permanent members of the Security Council. But we have to look beyond just the Philippines and what it can do for the Philippines. Dahil ito talaga ay bilang mapatibay pa ang ating partnership with the UN na matagal na. We have been working together with the UN since 1945 on many of the most important issues. And so it is really to strengthen that partnership. And it is not just about the Philippines. It is about being a representative voice for middle-income countries, for developing countries, for the Indo-Pacific region, which is now really the driver of a great deal of the global economy and of geopolitics. Kaya't napakahalaga na magkaroon tayo ng boses sa ganyang klaseng body na napaka-importante at napakataas na sa ngayon ay wala tayong boses na ganyan. At tayo ay magiging boses hindi lamang para sa Pilipinas, kung hindi sa mga iba't ibang bansa din.
Thank you, Mr. President. The next question will come from Harleen Delgado, ABS-CBN.
Hi, Mr. President. Good afternoon. Sir, just want to ask on your assessment on the overall campaign of the Philippines for the UNSC non-permanent seat. Just wondering, sir, what are the challenges, if there's any, that you've encountered during the campaign, and how optimistic are you in winning against our rival country, Kyrgyzstan?
Well, we have the advantage, and this is what I highlighted in my speech, that the advantage that the Philippines has is that we have a very strong record of partnership with the UN over the years. Hindi lamang, it's not about the Philippines. For example, yung mga peacekeeping na tinutulungan natin ng UN under the auspices of the UN. Yung ating mga pagdala ng mga iba't ibang issue na tayo lang ang nagdala sa UN. Women's issues, climate change issues, social issues that were initiated by the Philippines. And because of that, we see now an opportunity to contribute even more. And that, I think, will serve to the advantage of the Philippines in this candidature. It's very hard to assess what the chances are. We have some solid expressions of support, but it is a silent ballot, secret ballot rather. So we just have to keep talking to our friends and hope that they provide us their support. Mukha namang maganda naman ang pag-asa natin. Sana naman matuloy at tayo'y maging non-permanent member na. Thank you.